This one has been requested more times than we can count. Introducing the Pop Challenge. We've included popular music from several decades, so there's something for pretty much everyone. Enjoy playing the music of pop icons ranging from the Beatles and Queen to Rihanna and Taylor Swift. Every time you earn 96% or higher on any of the songs in the Pop Challenge, you'll earn an entry into a drawing for awesome prizes. Of course, everyone likes prizes, but more importantly, you'll improve your sight reading more quickly than you ever thought possible. I dare you to take the Standard Assessment of Sight Reading Test, the SASR, before the challenge, play songs in the challenge for at least half an hour, 5 days a week, then take another SASR test at the end of the challenge to see how much you improve. I guarantee you'll like what you see. So have a blast, sing along to your favorite songs, and you might just crush your sight reading goals along the way.